Hello, my name is Evans from Nairobi, Kenya. I was suffering from what is it called? My heart was pumping a lot. I had shortness of breath and fatigue. So I decided to just seek medical attention at EPIC Hospital. Then I came in contact with Anil Jain, the doctor at EPIC Hospital. He guided me so well. Gave me an aortic valve surgery. It was so successful, and now I'm good. I thank everyone who gave me the support. I thank everyone who gave me the guidance, and I'm really glad. And thank you again, EPIC Hospital and Dr. Anil Jain. Thank you.